Chapter 4. Sound of Vowel I. Look at the pictures and read these words aloud. PIT pit. MIX mix. ZIP sip. TIN theme. LID lid. WIG wig. HIII hill. BIKE bike. Here are some more words. Read them aloud. HIP hip. LIP lip. ZIP sip. SIP sip. NIP nip. PIP pip. BIN bin. SIN sin. WIN win. FIN fiend. TIN teen. MIN min. RID rid. DID did. LID lid. HID hid. BID bid. KID kid. MINE mine. NINE nine. FINE fine. VINE wine. LINE line. PINE pine. WIDE wide. HIDE hide. SIDE side. RIDE ride. BIDE bide. TIDE tide.